just received in the mail a pretty big Beautycounter order that I placed in the month of April. I thought it would be pretty cool to unbox everything with you and show you the items that I purchased. Some of the products are repurchases that I ran out of and that I'm close to running out of, and there are some things that I want to try out and I'm excited to try out. So if you want to see the items that I purchased this month, just keep watching. Alright, let's jump into the unboxing. So the first item is the daily conditioner, and I use this every single time I shower along with the daily shampoo. I love both the shampoo and conditioner. I'm just restocking up on this because I'm almost out of the conditioner. It leaves my hair feeling very silky and smooth, and I love that this product doesn't contain any paraben ingredients. So for those of you who don't know, paraben is used as a preservative and it's found in moisturizers, shampoos, and conditioners. So paraben is a harmful ingredient that can cause hormone disruption, it can cause infertility, it can cause early puberty in young people, early menopause in women. So make sure you're checking your labels and try to avoid any ingredients that contain paraben. So another item that I repurchased is the Countercontrol Clear Pore Cleanser. And this is one of my favorite cleansers from Beautycounter. And this is a brand new packaging. It used to be in a blue and white packaging. So yes, this is one of my absolute favorite cleansers. It's my go-to nighttime cleanser to remove all my makeup. It just makes my skin feeling so soft and so cleansed. Yet it's so gentle and it doesn't leave my skin feeling dry or irritated. So a little description on the box. It says this daily exfoliating cleanser effectively removes oil, makeup, and other impurities without harsh surfactants that can strip skin of moisture. And one of my favorite things about this pore cleanser is that it has jojoba beads to exfoliate the skin. And it has a really nice citrus scent, and I would say this Countercontrol line is the clean, safe version of Proactive. So a lot of people recommend this product for young teens and young people who are very acne prone, but lots of adults like myself, I have lots of breakouts, so this product is perfect. I love it. It's my nighttime go-to skincare cleanser. And this is the first time I've ever repurchased this product. It lasts a long time. You don't need much at all. Same with all Beautycounter products. A little goes a long way, so keep that in mind. The next item that I repurchased is the Baby Soothing Oil. My daughter is 8 months, going on 9 months, and I just used a full Baby Soothing Oil up. And this is one of my favorite baby products. This product is so nice. It leaves my daughter's skin feeling so soft and so smooth, and I love that it doesn't leave her skin feeling greasy or oily or anything like that. It just dries up, feels so nice and so smooth. I love all the products in the Beautycounter baby line. So the last product that I repurchased is the Charcoal Cleansing Bar. I use it every single time I shower to cleanse my face. And the description of it says, ideal for oily or blemish-prone skin, this detoxifying cleansing bar absorbs impurities in your skin without drying it out, resulting in a clearer, smoother, and brighter looking complexion. And with hormones, with having children, I would get some breakouts and like acne along my chest and my back. I feel like it helped so much. You have to be a little bit careful with the charcoal bar because if you overuse it, it can dry your skin out a little bit. So, but I do love it. It's a must in my shower. So now to the items that I've purchased and I'm excited to try. The first one is the Countermatch Adaptive Body Moisturizer. So for about a year now, I've been using the hydrating body lotion in Citrus Mimosa after I shower to moisturize my body. So I thought I'd give this body moisturizer a try. My mom uses it and she really likes it. So whenever I go to her house, I use it on my hands and it feels so nice. So I'm excited to try it. It says achieve all day hydration and smoother youthful looking tone with this breakthrough body lotion. Alright, so in this order I purchased a new lip gloss in the shade Opal. Let's try it on. How about? It's pretty. I like it. I think it'll be nice for spring. You can never have too many lip glosses, so I'm excited about this one. It doesn't really have too much color to it. I think this shade of lip gloss would look really pretty and nice over top of any type of lipstick. So the next thing I ordered is this Lemongrass Body Set, and it's part of the gifts on the website. You can purchase gifts for people, and it's already packaged like this one. And I ordered this for a girlfriend who just had a baby, so she can have a little self-care and a little pampering after having a baby. This set comes with 2 products that are amazing, and I love both of these, and it smells so good. I just opened it. It smells so nice. So the first item in this set is the Sugar Body Scrub in Lemongrass. This is amazing. It exfoliates and polishes your skin, leaving it so soft and silky. I used this today. I like to use it on my legs just before I shave my legs, and it makes my legs feel so nice and smooth. The second item in this gift set is the Body Butter in Lemongrass. This also is amazing. I just finished off this product, and I love it. It's honestly, this combined, shaving your legs and putting this on your legs afterwards, like amazing. This is such a nice little gift set to give to somebody, especially with Mother's Day coming up, there's birthdays, and I love that it's already packaged. So the last product that I ordered that I'm so excited to try out is the Beautycounter Romantic Eyeshadow Palette. I love the pinks and the lavenders and the purple colors, especially this moon dust in the middle. But yes, I'm so excited about this, and I've been meaning to buy this eyeshadow palette for a really long time. I'm really stuck with the classic eyeshadow palette because it has the perfect nudes and neutrals, but I needed to mix things up, and I'm excited to make some spring and summer and some date night looks using this palette. Alright guys, so those are the products that I ordered in April. I like to place an order once a month of, ma'am. But yeah, if you would like to see the items that I purchased in May, just let me know and we can do an unboxing just like this one. Other than that, that's all I have for you. Stay safe and healthy out there.
Children. Alright, let's keep going, let's keep going. Alright, the next item that I repurchased. Alright, so the next item that I can't give it to her. She's laughing right there. Alright, Rayleigh, are we gonna get through this video? Ever? Ever? Are we ever going to get through this video? Mama needs a drink. I'll just have some water for right now though.